What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project are these two lawnmowers, a Toro personal pace and a Honda powered Bilt. The problem is one engine is broken and the other one's good. We're going to do an engine swap. The Toro's engine is beyond repair. It was ran low on engine oil and broke a rod. It's not worth fixing. However, the rest of the motor works just fine, mainly because it's rear-wheel drive. The Bilt's deck is the part that's bad, since it's in need of two cables and both front wheels are completely worn down. They still work, but there's very little traction aside from it being front-wheel drive. Let's go ahead and start on the Toro. Go ahead and lay it over and take the blade off. I completely forgot I need to disconnect the pull rope from the handlebar. Next, go ahead and work the belt off the pulley, which is also the blade adapter. And now finally we can go ahead and take the 3 bolts holding the engine to the deck. I also forgot to disconnect the brake cable off the engine, which I'll do right now. Now let's put our focus on the Bilt mower. We're going to do the same exact procedure as before on the Toro motor to the Bilt. Hopefully we won't have any problems. Unfortunately, we do have a problem. The blade adapter is stuck to the shaft. To deal with this, what we're going to do is reinstall the bolt back into the shaft, but leave a little bit hanging out. Next, what we'll use is a 2-claw pulley puller to pull the blade adapter off the shaft. Luckily, it wasn't completely frozen to the shaft, it just needed some light persuasion. And now we can finally remove the 3 bolts holding the engine to the deck. We want to use all the original Toro parts, so we don't need the pulley that came from this engine. I didn't show it, but I went ahead and slid it off before installing the engine onto the new deck. I'll loosely secure the 3 engine bolts just to hold the engine in place on the deck. Now reinstall the original Toro blade adapter and then work on the self-propel belt. I went ahead and tested both bolts to hold the blade on, and unfortunately one's way too short and one's way too long. Just to keep things from being lost, I'll go ahead and use the long bolt to keep the blade on. I'll have to get another bolt later on. I go ahead and install the belt guard and then tighten all the engine bolts down. And finally reconnect the pull rope to the handle and then reinstall the brake cable to the engine. I do apologize, since the blade isn't bolted to the shaft tightly, I cannot start the engine. I didn't get it in time for this video. However, after the video I did get a bolt on it and it started in mode just fine. I would have otherwise made a video of the mower starting, but soon after this video was made, it went to a new owner. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any comments or questions about your small engines, please leave them in the comments below. And please consider subscribing, as it really supports this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.